Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my honey soap. Please remember to wear your safety gear. My oil is ready, coconut, olive and castor oil, and I'm gonna start by pouring the lye solution into the oil, the mixture of oils. You will check out the recipe in the description box. So I used some ice cubes to make my lye solution, but even after stirring for such a long time, I realized that I'm seeing some undissolved lye at the bottom. So I'm just keeping my fingers crossed because I've been looking forward to making this soap. I made it once and it's a beautiful soap. So let's see what happens. So we'll do a bit of stirring after pouring the lye solution. Yeah, but since I don't have any beeswax, I'll need to use my stick blender. Everything is at room temperature. So I'm looking for a medium trace, but I'm not feeling so happy because of the undissolved lye. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey and continue blending. Yeah, I don't even like the way it's looking at the top, like some froth. I really want this soap to work. I want it to work. So I'll just continue with the blending, and I want it to get thicker than this, but if it doesn't, I'll just pour it at light trace. Yeah. So I've just decided to pour it and look at how it's looking. But as I said earlier, I'm keeping my fingers crossed, you know. Sometimes it may just come out to be a very lovely soap. It's not looking very bad, but it's just a way I like my soap to look. So I've prepared my, because it's 4 pounds, it's a 4 pound soap. So I have my 2 pounds mold. So I'm gonna pour this one unscented, and the other one I'm gonna scent it. I have this. I rarely use fragrant oils, but I have one that smells so good. It's a very fragrant oil. Yeah, so we're done pouring in this one, and then I'm gonna pour into the next one. First, I'm gonna add my essential oil, the very essential oil. I'm just gonna put 1 tablespoon. I don't like heavily scented soaps, so just 1 tablespoon, and then I'll stir it in, and also use my stick blender just to make it a little thicker. So I'm done, and let me do the pouring. So I decided to line up this mold with the bubble wrap.
We give thanks to the man of God, Prophet Houston, Prophetess Grace, Pastor Peter, and Brother Matthews. Thank you, Jesus.
This is the quality we've been waiting for. Ultimate Vibes Music Production.
So after scraping out the loveliness, I'm gonna cover my molds and put it away to trap the heat during saponification.
2 days later.
So this is how the scented one looks after unmolding. It looks lovely. It's not very hard, so I think it's better to keep it maybe 3 days or 4 days. It smells really good, and the inside of it is still looking a little bit yellow. So I mean, I'll keep it as it cures. I believe it's gonna change in color because this is just the second day. So this is the second one, sorry, the first one, the one that is unscented, but the bubble wrap that I placed at the top of the soap did not even print. I guess I didn't put it correctly, but it's okay. Not too soft, but somewhat soft. So I just have to be patient with it and give it some time to cure. Yeah, but this soap is just lovely. Look at how it looks after a few days. It's curing so well. It looks white in color. So this is my honey soap, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Like and share. Bye.